Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. If you're looking to set yourself up online with any type of website, whether it's business or personal, check out squarespace.com today. J.E. London in the house.
What's going on?
How you doing, mate?
Little elbow
bows
bump.
and that.
Yeah, that's what we do. Keep it legit.
So, James, right?
Yeah, call me James, yeah.
TG's brother?
Twin brother, yeah.
Twin brother?
Yeah, 2 minutes older, mate. Don't forget that.
2 minutes, yeah.
Yeah, that's important.
So how old are you?
33, mate. Ask him, he'll tell you he's 33.
Reason I got you on is obviously I follow you on Instagram.
Yep.
You're obviously a car enthusiast, aren't you?
Yeah, big time.
A lot of cars. You do a lot of inspirational stuff, man. I've seen a bit of your story. I've seen some like videos online.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Do you want to maybe explain a little bit more about yourself?
So I run, my main company is London Muscles, a big fitness business.
Yeah.
So that's what I run, that's my main one. And I've got a few other online businesses as well. Some are in barbering, another one in car detailing, and another one in like shoe protection. Like spray to protect shoes and fabric, etc. So yeah, those businesses keep me busy, mate. Yeah, and they allow me ultimately to buy the toys.
And you only run Instagram. You're not on YouTube or anything like that, are you?
No, I'm not on YouTube. You see me pop up on other people's videos like I am today, but I don't have my own channel, mate.
Cool. So you've come down in this long wheelbase Range Rover. So this is your what
this
do
is
you call
my
it?
kind of like my waft wagon, my yacht, mate. Yeah. I don't know why, mate. I just thought they're just so big. I just thought it's funny.
Mate, it's fucking.
The back door's like double the size of the front.
It's like a limousine, man.
Looking to come in the yacht.
The yacht?
The land yacht, the road yacht.
Mate, man's even got his own TV. You taking a piss, Jay, man?
Yeah.
No.
I like how pointless it is.
Pointless?
Yeah, that's what got me about it. And look, you see this? Look, soft clothes. Look, talk to me about this.
Oh shit, like that, yeah?
Yeah,
mate.
Simple things like that, I enjoy it.
Yeah. This is looks like some money, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's alright, man. It's cool, yeah.
Any other cars you own at the moment?
So I've got an M3 E92, Santorini Blue, LE500, got one of them. Just sold a 991.2 Turbo S. Okay. And before that, 488 matte black from factory paint, and a Hurricane Spider before that.
Oh, it's from factory?
Yeah, it was factory. It weren't wrapped, yeah.
Oh,
Nero Opaco, I think, or Opaco or something it was called.
Okay.
So it's a factory option, cost a fortune for the first owner. Not so much for me, but yeah, so that's the kind of last few years of cars. So I've always been into cars and bikes as well. Yeah,
so guys, I just thought we would get Jay on, we'd like have a little chat. Just about maybe a bit of social media, take you for a little spin in the GTR. What do you reckon? Should we go rally this instead, or?
I think we'd end up on the roof, to be honest, mate. This thing goes around corners like jelly.
Serious?
Yeah, it's not. It's comfort, not pace, mate.
Okay.
I'm sure you'd chuck it around, but I think we'd all end
No,
up
I think GTR.
Bread, mate,
we have to do GTR.
Yeah, I think that's got more purpose, yeah.
Guys, if you're keen to get yourself set up with something professional online, go check out squarespace.com. This is the only platform I recommend for all things web-based, whether it's personal blogs, right through to professional websites to run your business. Squarespace offer it all. And for a limited time, they're providing all my viewers with a free trial and 10% off your first purchase of any website or domain when you sign up via my link, squarespace.com/LivingLifeFast. They also offer both advanced CSS styling for fully customized website designs, as well as their starter layouts perfect for complete beginners. And to get you going, you can choose from a number of pre-designed structures based on the type of industry you're looking to get into. I've become really familiar with the Squarespace platform over my time working with them, and I just find their entire platform really user-friendly with a common sense layout and excellent functionality. So I'd highly recommend them, especially if you're just starting out online for the first time and want something quick and easy to use but still look like you've paid top money for a web developer to create it. Head over to squarespace.com/LivingLifeFast to get your free trial started today, and remember to take advantage of your 10% discount when you're signing up. Thanks for watching.
First time in a GTR, mate.
Yeah, I was going to say that. I've never been in one. Have you never been in? No interest. Nissan, isn't it?
No, I like it.
Micro, innit?
No, I like it. I just never found myself in one.
So I know you do some stuff with prisoners as well. I thought it'd be worth mentioning to the channel.
Yeah, 100%. So our background used to be I used to be a barrister. So I used to defend people for whatever. So yeah. Anyway, so now obviously I do the fitness thing and stuff. I've always had an interest to get back in and get back into that field of work and work with predominantly like young men that kind of could change direction in their life if they're given the right opportunities and the right kind of role model, mentor, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I work in Felton prison. I've done some stuff in other prisons as well, and we'll be doing a lot more. I work with probation, and my fitness company runs personal training courses. That's one of the main things we do. So I teach that in prison, and then collect men when they're released, work with them when they're released, mentor them, and get them into jobs from everything. So I'm actually working on a kind of book at the moment, from the cells to the city, with a bloke that I've worked with, who's now working in central London, one of the top gyms, and smashing it.
So what got you into that then?
What got me into doing that? Do you know what? Social media is a weird place, and I just thought, what is the point in having followers and all that stuff, which obviously brings, us, our lifestyles and what we can do with it, but life isn't all about just that. It's about assisting other people, and you know, helping other people you get a pleasure out of that isn't the same as driving a car. It's just a different satisfaction that
100%.
And until you've done it, you don't realise it. And I just think there's so many people online that are selfish, mate, and don't understand real life.
Yeah.
And have the ability to help anyone. I'm fortunate that I can help people. And that, you know, I've worked hard to get where I am today and be successful, but part of that and fulfillment is to help other people. So I love it, man.
And that's something I say, man. It's satisfying, isn't it, to help people? Like it feels better than money. Mate, do you know what I mean? Like,
if someone asked me what are your biggest achievements, I put in seeing a man in a cell and a man on his first day at work and his family crying and thanking you.
Wow.
That's not money, mate. Yeah. That's a different. If you haven't ever experienced it, you won't know what it feels like. But mate, something I'm strongly passionate about. Strongly passionate about. Get out. Never been in one. This might be my last journey in one, mate.
Grip, man. These got grip.
Oh, yeah, we'll remember that when we're both upside down. Ricky, you know that grip you were talking about?
For anyone that's watching right now, I actually contacted James to get him on the show, like, in case anyone thinks there's like some advertising or some shit.
No, not at all. We just reached out. And I'm a petrol head big time, but I think a lot of, you know, what you're saying, you can whiz around in cars, but most people want to know how you get to the car in the first place, egg and chicken. So, you know, you get a lot of people on the channel, look at TG, look at you, look at whoever, and they got all these cars, and you're thinking, well,
I mean, like, it's a hot topic, man. It's a very hot topic, because when I started YouTube, it was people like, you know, like all of the car YouTubers you see now, it was people like that inspired me to start.
Yeah,
so I'm like, right, these men are driving Lambos, Fuck this shit. I'm jumping on But then when I jumped on, I'm like, whoa, okay, it's not as simple as, you know, look, everything I'm doing, it's not like I've achieved a lot, but everything I'm doing is off the back of YouTube, do you know what I mean? There's no other secret or side hustles. Like, I've been very transparent on my channel. But like, it is possible, basically. You can 100%.
Do, like, and you can start from the very ground. You don't have to. Like me and Tom started. We halved the Clio. It was £400. We put 2 bills in each. That was it. We were off 400 quid, scrubbing bogs, doing whatever. We had a back box in it, the worst alloys you've ever seen. A subwoofer in the back that made the car barely like accelerate. It was so heavy and like doing a wheelie everywhere. And we thought we were the boys. But everything's relative. Like that was our aspiration at the time, to get a car. Then when we had that, right, what can I get next? Saxo VTR. Yeah, cool. Made a bit of money on that, and your vision changes as time go on. Woo!
I won't give you the full LLF, innit?
No, I think that. Mad.
Like, if you've never been in a GTR,
it's defying logic. Are you stopping?
He's like, stopping.
Fuck. Worse than the meat sweats in here. But the fact you want to make this quicker has just completely.
Well,
I saw your post last night, and I've got a feeling that when that car's ready, I might sit that one out, mate. Unless it's a straight line.
Mate, that's gonna be. Think about it. This is 630, so you're talking 18. Do you know what I mean?
I mean, quick maths. That's 3 times, isn't it? Once you've got a little bit of a platform and a following, and you've got the method, you can then apply it to other things. So even in lockdown, I launched 2 new businesses. One was barbering. I cut my own hair to save money. Back in the day, I cut my own hair. Why? Because I didn't have a lot of money, and anything I could save meant I had more money. So I did that, and then in lockdown, everyone's cutting their own hair, so I've launched my own clipper and trimmer range and stuff. And that's
is that your fucking
Pro Cuts? That's me.
Fuck,
why do you think I'm plugging it the whole time?
Sick.
But so that was just an idea.
I didn't know that was you.
Yeah, of course it's me. Yeah.
I thought that was just like a little brand thing you had going.
Nah, that's my own company.
You said with the gold clippers.
Yeah.
Bro, even I was looking at it, I was like, yeah.
He's in. It's not even a difficult thing. It was just source some decent product that's cheaper than the competitors in England. Source those products, and listen, I'm sat in lockdown. There's nothing going on. I'm seeing people are not being able to get a trim. There's a solution, right? Got a following, got a platform. Get your hands on it.
Bro,
Here we go again. What? How that grips is beyond me.
So what's social media like for you then, man? Because like,
it is.
Like a full-time thing? Or?
100%. So there's no Monday, there's no Friday, there's no Saturday, Sunday. I think once you're in this game, it's just all one. You know, you're online the whole time. There's no 9 or 5. You don't clock off at the end of the day and go, brilliant, see you later, boss. Put my bag on my back and have a chilled evening. Like
24/7.
Yeah, and that's because it's just, you know, the more you put into it, the more you get out of it. So I'm going to put in as much as I can. So it is physically demanding, but at the same time, look, me and you are in the middle of the day, we're not stuck at a desk. So it's got its benefits. Obviously, this is work, really, in some respects, for both of us. But, you know, it gives you the flexibility that you wouldn't otherwise have. So it's a double-edged sword, mate, like most things.
Do you find yourself unnecessarily going on social? Like,
yeah, I think you do it without realising. 100%, you're just glued.
Glued,
mate. And I think that is, and you know, like you and I, you know, if someone said to me, get off your phone, I'd say, I'm working.
It's my job.
But you and I know 1,000%, 9 times out of 10, you're just browsing. Yeah.
See, and this is something I admit happily, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's an addiction. I can't, like you say, majority of the time I'm working. Like my missus, she walks in, and I'm just at yard, like, because where she's on furlough at the moment, she can't work it out that I'm just sitting there
she's livid,
on my phone,
she's fuming.
Yeah, it's like, but I'm making money. Like,
but yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm working some days. If I've got emails, I'll go out and do it outside a walk or whatever, or I'll sit on a sofa. And I think some people think, but I'm lucky that I can do it from a mobile. It is work. It is work. Yeah. But it's the reason why when those guys finish at 5 and me and you are still online at midnight, that is the difference. Like because it doesn't sleep. But
demanding, right? Like, because
demanding, physically and mentally demanding. It comes with its benefits. It comes with its negatives. Like,
so what's next for you then? Like, obviously, you say you got an M3 at the moment.
Yeah, got an M3 United 2, which was. I just thought it's just a cool, timeless car. That power dome on the front, V8 sounds amazing. When I sold the Turbo S, I got the M3, which isn't a replacement as such, but it's there was nothing screaming my name for a supercar. Right. People would be like, I'll get like a Bugatti, like it's not.
Yeah, I thought you was going to pull something out. I was kind of like,
But and then I was like, there's nothing immediately. A couple of McLarens I like, but I can't do it to myself at the moment, mate. I'm just sitting tight and seeing what they do. Yeah. I'm always.
Yeah, the McLarens are dodge, man.
Yeah, I just think let them come down a bit and then. So at the moment I'm just sitting tight. My brother's Turbo S 992, that is a contender.
Fuck, you know, mate.
That is different.
What's it like? Sick.
I can't. Even though I had the Turbo S before, it's just I don't know how Porsche do it. Yeah, you think I can't? When I had the Turbo S, I'm like, won't be better. It's 10 times better. And I don't know how they've done it. They pull magic from
crazy,
everywhere. Yeah. Every time. I didn't even know. I knew they were quick, but I didn't know the handling was such. You never know. You might find me one of these. Not going to be the brake that yours is and driven like that, mate. I'll be on my roof. But
give us some top tips, man. Like for anyone watching right now.
For success or for
just to get on. You know.
Yeah, I think
I'll keep the JE train, isn't it?
Yeah, keep it nice and simple. I think like the first the main thing is, am I ready to make this commitment to do well and achieve something? Because the moment you started, there's no slacking. The early stage of it is more important than anything. So do I have 100% commitment to this? Am I willing to work every hour, or every hour I need to make it work? If no, park it, because it's only going to be depressing. It's not going to succeed. So that's the first thing. Second thing, don't lose sight of normality. Don't lose sight of where you came from. You know, whatever you're doing, we all started somewhere. Remember your journey. Remember the people that followed you on that journey. Because if it does blow up, don't change who you are for it. Because it will only backfire on you.
Well, it kind of exposes some people, doesn't it? Like, you know.
Yeah, it does. And number 3, don't hang around with people that are either of bad minds or just on a negative vibe. If you want to do your own thing, go and do it yourself. Because you'll form a new community of people in no time. Look, I've connected with you. I would have never known you in my life had we not both had an interest for cars and doing well. And your friendship group kind of changes to the people that will help one another. I'm genuinely happy to see you do well, get the cars you want to do, in the same way that you're happy to have me on the channel because you watch my journey. So once you're surrounded by the right people, it networks and balloons. So that's the JE granddad talk, really, isn't it?
Are you busy like all the time?
Mate, my brain's just constantly
fried, isn't it?
Mate, I know it sounds stupid, but if you've got like 5 Instagram accounts logged in that all need content on every single day, stories, everything, every inbox answered, every email answered, before you even try to create a business plan and do everything else, you're already fully occupied. Only since I come into the YouTube world with people I know that I've newfound respect for people that put out big content. It's not just film a video and upload it. It's so much more.
And that's why, like me, I have a neutral respect for every YouTuber. It don't matter who it is, like, you know, because man, it's so fucking demanding. Even Shmi was chatting about Shmi earlier, like, you know,
he delivers.
Mate, one take. Do you know what I mean? No retakes. The knowledge.
And all the little bits that go with it, people don't realise it's like, you know, you've got to do a bit of B-roll, you've got to take a thumbnail, I forgot the thumbnail, like it's all... But normally it's in a stressful environment, you know, if you're collecting a new car and there's 300 people watching, you're trying to make a video, people are asking questions, can you do this, can you do that? And then you've got a business to maintain, which is the video, so fair enough.
James, I think I'm going to end it there.
Well, we're within a meter, I don't know what it is, we'll just do that anyway. I enjoy that,
But yeah, nah, thanks for coming on the show, man. And for anybody that wants to find you on social, do you want to plug any of your handles?
Yeah, so my main one's at JE, my initials, and then _ LD&M. That's my fitness business. And then on there, you'll find all my other stuff. Everything's on there, so.
Well, guys, as always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.